Hello, you are most welcome. We are still looking at Surds. This is our third lesson. Previously, we looked at how we add and subtract Surds, how we simplify Surds. Today, we are looking at how we multiply and divide Surds. We have examples. We are told to work out the following. That is 3 root 2 times 4 root 3. So this is what you must know. When we are multiplying surds, the coefficients of the surds multiply themselves. Because earlier I told you that we are treating these surds as unknowns. It's the same way we should maybe multiply 2a times 3b. So the coefficients 2 and 3 multiply to give us 6. Then a and b gives us ab. So the same thing we do concerning surds. The coefficients 3 and 4 multiply to give us 12. Then the roots multiply themselves. This time round, they don't need to be the same. So we shall multiply root 3 times root 2 times root 3 to give us root 6. So we get 12 root 6. Once again, the trick is the coefficients multiply and the roots also multiply themselves. Let us look at our next example. So in example 2, we have root 72 times root 75. So these are bigger roots. Therefore, we shall simplify them first. 72 has 2 factors, of which one must be a square number, that is 36 times 2. Then 75 has 25 times 3. So when you simplify root 36 times 2, you get 6 root 2 times root 25 gives us 5 times root 3, which is 5 root 3. Then the coefficients, that is 6 and 5, will multiply to give us 30. Then root 2 multiplies with root 3 to give us root 6. So it becomes 30 root 6. Hope that's good. Then we still go to our third example, where we have 5 root 48 times root 45. So since they are bigger roots and they can be simplified, we shall have 5 into root 16 times 3. Those are the 2 factors of 48. Then root 45 is 9 times 5. So after that we simplify. Root 16 is 4 times root 3 to give us 4 root 3. Then root 9 is 3 times root 5 to give us 3 root 5. We open bracket, the 5 multiplies 4 to give us 20 root 3 times 3 root 5. So the 20 and 3 multiply to give us 60 root 15. 3 and 5 also multiplies to give us root 15. So we end up with 60 root 15. Then we have example 4, which is 2 root 3 into bracket root 5 minus root 3. So here we shall open brackets. The same way we open brackets, for instance, when we are multiplying 2a into b minus c. This multiplies with every term inside to give us 2ab minus 2ac. So the same applies here. So we shall have 2 root 3 multiplying with root 5 to give us 2 root 15. Then 2 root 3 multiplies with root 3 to give us 2 root 9. And after we simplify, this one cannot be simplified because it has no 2 factors, of which one must be a square number. It has no such factors, so it remains. But root 9 is 3. So we end up with simplifying root 9 to a 3, hence giving us 2 root 15 minus 6. Hope we are together on that. Then we also have, so after looking at that, we are now well conversed with how we multiply surds, so you can try out these numbers. Please do so because practice makes perfection. We look at division in our next lesson. Otherwise, please subscribe so that you don't miss such lessons.